everyone, I'm Ellen Canner. I'm the Edgy Veggie, and I'm still sheltering in place. Meanwhile, meat producers are still on the line, and meat packers and processors are getting ill with COVID-19. So can we even justify these people working just for the sake of people enjoying a meal? Honey, there is a better way. Beans. Beans are high in protein, in fiber, that's the happy belly feeling. They're high in almost everything we need. Amino acids, iron, they're it. And they're cheap, which is another reason I love them. And they're pantry friendly, which is why supermarkets have been zeroed out of them. The thing is, a lot of people don't even know how to cook them right. So we're gonna fix that today. I want you to meet my beans. I have all different kinds. I have basic black beans. I have small red beans from Honduras. They're actually from my local grower. I have my wonderful Rancho Gordo heirloom beans. I have fantastic basic beans like yellow split peas and garbanzos from Goya, a local producer. Thank you guys. But I thought just to start, we would start with basic black beans. And here we are, they are lovely. What I suggest doing is pouring them out and sorting them so you make sure there's no dust or any weird bits in there. And once they are properly sorted and you see you have nice tidy beans, I think pre-soaking really helps. This is where you take your beans and you soak them in water. How hard was that? You can leave them for a couple hours. Sometimes I leave them overnight because, you know, once you pour them in there, you're done. You don't have to do anything. The next day, drain and rinse. You give them a pour in. You bring it to a high boil, and I like to add some aromatics. A couple of garlic cloves, a couple of bay leaves, a little bit of hot pepper. It sort of helps bring out the flavor of the bean. I do not believe in salting beans while they're cooking. I think it makes them tough. I like a tender bean. You will too. Soaking makes also for tender beans. Cuts down on cooking time. And it spares me hearing fart jokes. I think it makes them more digestible. And after your beans have come to a hard boil for about 10 minutes, turn down the heat to low, put the lid on, and let the bean magic happen. For smaller beans like lentils, only takes about half an hour. For a firmer, larger bean like these black beans, I'd say 90 minutes will do it. You should check every now and again. Make sure they have plenty of water, and they should be very tender but not fall apart. The good thing about dried beans is it really takes an awful lot of effort to overcook them. So here we are with my amazing pot of beans, and I just wanted to pour them into this to show you start with a little bag and you wind up with 3 times as much. It is a wonderful example of the law of increase. Beans are so benevolent, and they are delicious. And the broth is good for almost everything. So you can use this for a base for black bean soup, for chilies, for all kinds of things. But I like it really, really simply. Greens and beans are made for each other. So that's what I'm gonna do. I've got some black beans and some sauteed greens with garlic. I'm just gonna give them a little go. So simple, so good. I have so many bean recipes on my website, Soulful Vegan. I have an entire bean ebook I wrote called Beans, A Handful of Magic, downloadable for $1. Beans and I think, have a lot in common. We're small, we're powerful, we like to multitask, and we love to please. So enjoy your beans, be well, see you next time. Bye-bye.